Good morning, students. So, after completion of the first unit, and we have also have a chat in Google Meet, and after the clearance, doubt clearance classes and course progression classes, we have decided that as per our talk, we have decided to start the second unit. Okay. My dear students, we know that in the first unit we have already covered that is the importance of the financial management and the financial decisions and the role of the financial manager. Many more, there is more things we have already taught. Now we'll go to the fetch to that of the direct to that of the what happened, the capital. So what is the capital? Before the second unit, it starts with the, I am giving the heading that is the capital budgeting. It is the unit 2, that is what? The capital budgeting. Okay. So my dear students, before I am going to that of the talking about that of the capital budgeting, let us highlight about the what is the capitalization, and what is the capital. Okay, then the budgeting, then we will go to that move to the concept of the what, that is the capital budgeting. Students, listen here. The capitalization, the word, the capitalization that is, it is the process of determining the financial plan. The process of what? Determining the financial plan of an organization, of a company. Because if will not plan the how much costs should be accumulated, then how who will that is work on that of the project, or that is the carry out the function of the business organizations or the companies, or to run the companies. So my dear students, it is what happened. So determining the quality of the finance, it is needed to that of the organizations, or it is required for the company. That is very the capitalization. That is, it is the what? That is, we know that is the process of determining the plan of financing. Okay. So it should be quality, it should be quantity must be there. It is a one, you can say that it is a product, but it is a very essential to that of the business organizations, or to run out the company's functions, or the carry out the function of the companies, to run out the companies. So the quantity must be required in order, that is what we have to take the quality, what? That is the decisions, quality financing. Okay? Quantity must be there, quality of financing must be also there. मुझे पैसा चाहिए या कहीं से भी पैसा ला दूं क्या? नहीं, ये तो नहीं है ना. अगर I want to invest my own money, कहीं पे भी मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकूं क्या? ये गलत है. या मुझे पैसा चाहिए पर कहीं से भी पैसा लाऊं, ये भी गलत है. हमें सही स्टेप्स लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि पैसा लाना या एक्वायरिंग मनी और गिविंग मनी or investing money, it is both that is that is crucial things it is. देखो कॉमन एग्जाम्पल फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेंगे, अगर मुझे कुछ पैसा चाहिए, मुझे एक पर्सन 10% ऑफ इंटरेस्ट में दे रहा है, ओके मुझे और एक पर्सन बोल रहा है कि नो यू गिव द मोर्टेज दैट इज सिक्योरिटी और यू पुट सम एसेट एज अ mortgage and I will lend you money at the rupees 3% rate of interest. And there is a asset is with me. Some mortgage is also with me. Why not I will go to that of the what? That is the 3% interest. It will be very, very helpful to me. The interest is very low. Whereas in case of the other category, that is who is lending 10% of interest, that is a very high rate of interest. That you have to think it. The quality and the quantity must be, we have to keep in the mind while we are thinking of the capitalization, or that is the capital for the organizations. My dear students, it is a what happened capitalizations, that is capitalizations means what happened, that is par value of stock plus that is bond outstanding. दोनों के कितने तुम्हारे पास है, कितना आने वाला है, कितना जाने वाला है, सब कुछ हमें एक्यूमुलेट करके इधर कैपिटलाइजेशन करना है. ओके, एक और एक छोटा एग्जांपल मैं ले रहा हूं. क्या हमें किसी को अगर पेमेंट करना है, लास्ट मंथ में पेमेंट नहीं दिया है, अगर इस मंथ में पेमेंट करना है, क्या लास्ट मंथ पेमेंट जो नहीं किया उसे भूल जाएंगे क्या? नहीं ना, उसको भी मिलाकर इस मंथ में देना है. टोटल कैपिटल मुझे कितना चाहिए, मैंने 2 मंथ का मुझे उसे देना है, वो देखना चाहिए. उसी तरह दैट इज कितना पैसा मुझे आना है, वो भी मुझे दैट इज एक्यूमुलेट करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द व्हाट वैल्यू एडजुलेस पार वैल्यू मींस दैट इज द नॉमिनल वैल्यू प्लस with that of the what, that is either the premium charge or the premium or maybe the discount, whatever may be. That is the what happened the capitalization, because the money every day the changing of money is the value of the money is changing. That we have to find it as a what, that is the good फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर. सब के नाते से हमें ये करना जरूरी है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द कैपिटल बजटिंग? So as we know, that is what happened capital. So see here I am telling the capital budgeting. It is what? That is, one is capital and another is budgeting. See, listen here. One concept I am telling. Suppose कॉलेज में कुछ फंक्शन करना है, क्या बिना बजटिंग से हमें उभर आते फंक्शन करने के लिए, या बिना सोचे समझे बोल देते कि इतना पैसा चाहिए उतना पैसा चाहिए? दैट इज द रॉन्ग कंसेप्ट. ये कोई हैंडस्पन मेजरमेंट नहीं है, या कुछ 19-20 भी कोई हमें माफ नहीं कर पाएंगे या छोड़ नहीं पाएंगे. दैट इज वी हैव टू एक्यूमुलेट द राइट अमाउंट. देन हाउ वी हैव टू गेट द राइट अमाउंट, हाउ वी हैव टू एस्टिमेट द राइट अमाउंट? You have to make the budget. Okay. So let us clearly mention here what happened. The capital means what happened. That is the, here it is total investment. It is the total investment, okay, of the firm in terms of money. In terms of money. Here budgeting. Budgeting means here is what happened? Blueprint. Of a plan or an action, okay, which is expressed in quantities and manner. Okay. Here the capital budgeting. Capital means total money. कितना हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है फार्म में, कितना प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वॉल्व करना है, कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट, वो है कैपिटल बजटिंग इन टर्म ऑफ मनी. बिकॉज मेरे पास अगर कुछ भी है तो उसे भी कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा मनी में, बिकॉज इट इज माई ओन प्रॉपर्टी एंड आई हैव टू इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और द कंपनी यू कैन से. वो कैसे मैं माफ कर सकूं, वो कैसे मैं छोड़ दूं? हाउ इट विल बी इग्नोर फ्रॉम माई माइंड, बिकॉज दैट मच आई हैव ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टेड. कितना भी लैंड क्यों, कितना भी एसेट क्यों ना हो, जो भी कुछ मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा हूं उसे मनी को कन्वर्ट करके या मनी में कैलकुलेशन करके कितना होगा उसे हमें दिखाना चाहिए. हमें यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट, अनलेस वी विल नॉट गेट दैट इज द डायरेक्ट हाउ मच कॉस्ट इट इज involved or how much money we have invested, that we cannot calculate it. And this is only possible with the what happened, that is the budgeting. It is the blueprint of the plan or the action, which is how much quantities we have to require it. Without calculation, without budgeting, we cannot direct predict the right amount or we cannot give the exact amount of the what organization, that is the कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, कभी भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्योंकि मार्केट में मनी का वैल्यू भी अप एंड डाउन होता है, मार्केट में हर चीज का भी वैल्यू अप एंड डाउन होता है. सो हमें कभी भी स्टैग्नेंट या कभी भी स्टिक नहीं हो पाएंगे एक वैल्यू के ऊपर. तो इसलिए हमें उसी तरह बजटिंग करना है, उसी तरह प्रॉपर प्लानिंग करना है. दैट इज हाउ मच मनी आई हैव टू इन्वेस्ट and that money where I have to collect, and that is how many, what, that is at what rate of interest or at which the reliable sources will be very very helpful to me, that we have to predict. Unless we don't have any knowledge on this thing, we will not, that is budget properly the capital required for the what, running of an organization or starting of a business organization or running, that is for a project or so whatever may be. क्योंकि हमें इसे भी चाहिए और इसे फुलफिल करने के लिए बजट भी होना जरूरी है. सरकार, गवर्नमेंट, how they are making the budget earlier, that is for every section, for every session, for every, that is annual year, financial year or whatever may be, that is for any type of the budget, that is the sessions, the annual meet or biannual meet or whatever may be, they are making the budget. Why? They know that is what happened for coming sessions, that is I have to make inflow this much amount of money and I have to invest, that is expenditure that amount of money. Similarly, for everybody's individual life, for everybody's for organizations also, the budgeting is very very essential. It means the capital budgeting is very very essential. हमें घर चलाने से लेकर से from starting our home to White House, we know that is what happened. All are making a capital budgeting because it is a very very essential, because though it says that is the work cannot be stopped in the middle due to the lack of finance due to the insufficient capital. अगर हमें ये प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये एस्टिमेट नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो हमें ही मुसीबत को बीच में ही फेस करना पड़ेगा, और चाहे भी कभी कभी ये बिजनेस भी डूब जाता है, नहीं तो आधे रास्ते में ही बंद हो जाता है. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो दैट इज पैसा अगर कहीं से लाए या खुद इन्वेस्टमेंट करे, वो कैसे रिटर्न होगा, हमें अच्छी तरह फंक्शन करना चाहिए, अच्छी तरह हमें वर्क करना चाहिए. अगर ये भूल जाएंगे तो कभी भी दैट इज आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. सो इट मीन्स दैट इज व्हाट हैपेन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो कैपिटल बजटिंग, व्हाट it is the concerned with that is allocation of for sources, then available of financial resources, okay, and we have to see the investment decisions, and you have to say that the financial decisions, and you have to say that is the what dividend decisions. We cannot ignore these three things. After we know that, you have to look at that is what the firm have, either tangible or intangible things what they have. You have to see it. You have to collect, that is the assets, how much we have, and that is how the financial should be available, the financial resources should be available. It should be also that is concerning with the what, that is the capital budgeting, and also it is also focusing on that is the three decisions what we have in the case of the what financial management. Three decisions means that is the investment decisions, how we have to investment, and how much you have to investment, where to investment, and the financial decisions is also very very important, and also dividend policies is also must be maintained along with, because we have to see it, that is how much we have to work it. Okay, along with that is we have to find out that is what happened. So this capitalizations is also referred to that of the word mostly share capital, we can say. That is share capital, it is also very very important. And another, that is we have to find out that is the long term debt, okay, or we can say also another point, that is the short term debt, okay. All things you have to consider it, okay. And that is we can say also creditors and reserves and surpluses. Reserves and surpluses. These are all the things. It is very very essential when you are regarding about the what happened, that is the capital, that is the capitalizations. Okay, when we are discussing about the capitalizations, we have to see that is the what happened, that is how much capital must be required, that is the we take it from the capitalization, because all the investment should be divided into the share, okay. And you have to acquire the some, that is a long-term debt, short-term debt, creditor, all the points, because these all the leading to that is what happened. This concept is the capitalization. It is all related to that of the capitalizations. Any of you cannot be ignored all any one of the things. So capital budgeting, capitalization. This is the concept, that is what we have to study about it. And so finally we can say that is what capital budget. It is what so capital budgeting involves, one is purchase of assets, okay, purchase of fixed assets, okay, another, that is expenditure related to business, another replacement of fixed asset, and another, that is research and development project. My dear students, listen here. When we are discussing about the capital, what it includes. So we'll start from that of the what, that is the purchasing of the fixed assets. So definitely we cannot ignore that fixed assets. So whatever may be, we have to the goodwill, land, buildings, okay, and machineries, plant and machineries, all the things that are related to the fixed asset. With the help of only we have to start the business, okay. Then to carry out the business organizations, day-to-day expenditures is also there. Small expenses, the large expenses, it does not mean. Expenditure is expenditure. In order to carry out the business, some expenditure must be there. गाड़ी खरीदते हैं या फ्यूल नहीं डालेंगे क्या, फ्यूल को भी डालना पड़ेगा, फ्यूल के लिए भी कॉस्ट को फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा, कितना फ्यूल डालना है, इसलिए गाड़ी को चलाने के लिए, ओके. सो रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द फिक्स्ड एसेट, अगर हर फिक्स्ड एसेट का दैट इज रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू होता है, दैट इज डेप्रिसिएशन होता है, सो उसे कभी कभी हमें रिप्लेसमेंट करना पड़ता है, ओल्ड के जगह पे न्यू लाना है, तो उसके माध्यम पे उसके लिए भी हमें कैपिटल को भी देखना चाहिए, कैपिटल बजटिंग करना चाहिए, कितना हो सकता है, ओके. और प्रोडक्ट का मार्केट में स्टैंड होने के लिए या इन ऑर्डर टू फेच द मेन गोल ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वह हमें रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट भी करना चाहिए. जो प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, जो whatever may we are doing the project, that you have to see that is how the in development manner, or how we can do the better product, or we can better things for the company and for the customer also, so that there will be a continuous flow of the what, that is the money. So all these things, it is related to the capital budgeting. My dear students, let us explain that is what happened. That is, I have to explain you one of the things, it is related to that of the capital budgeting. So listen here. One, it is, go to the structure. See, it is the cash flow, another project life, and another discounting factor. Whatever may be the any day, that is investment decisions we have made. In the case of the already we have discussed about the investment decision and the financial decision and the dividend decision, that we know 3 decisions is very, very important for the financial management. So whenever we are discussing about the investment decisions, we have to see the circumstances. The cash flow must be there. It should not be hampered. It should not be stopped in the middle. आना जाना लगता है कैश का, वैल्यू का, जो मनी एक तरफा नहीं होना चाहिए. खाली जाना नहीं भी होना चाहिए, खाली आना भी नहीं होना चाहिए. आना जाना continuous must be there. So cash must be there. The flow, continuous flow of cash must be there. Okay. Another, we have to see that what is the project life, what is the organization, that is what on which we are working. That is what is the expectancy, what is the tenure of the project, how much that is in how many years or how many that is expected years we can collect these flows of money, or that is we have to continue our business organization. That we have to think it, because one we can open an organization, so many works can be done in that inside the organization. That we have to also keep it in our mind. And another we have to say that is the discounting. That is the factor. So many factors are related. So we cannot ignore one of any of the factors. Okay. Here, whatever may be these things, the effective of the decisions, जो कि हमें जो फैक्टर होता है एस्टिमेट करना है कैश फ्लो को, एंड टोटली हमें प्रोजेक्ट जो एस्टिमेट करता है लाइफ जो एक्सपेक्टेंसी और द लाइफ ईयर, द प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द लाइफ और द प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द लाइफ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, or we can say that in the continuous of the project period, that we have to properly estimate it. And we have to also see that is the whatever may be the factors are related to the capital budgeting, it is always that is 19 and 20, so we cannot also, or changing always, and we cannot ignore these things. So totally what happened, it is a totally basing all the things, it is the capital budgeting. Okay, so basically when we are doing things, we have to have an idea about the long term project. We have to idea about the long term capital basis, not for the short term or for the only for few period. If you will maintain the long period and if you will maintain there is longevity of the project, then there is a continuous flow of the money and the profit maximization or wealth maximization, whatever the aim and objective of the business organization is there, or the business finance is there, that we can get it. Okay, so this is the what happened. For this purpose only we have already some of the definitions we have also focused here. Okay, so listen here, the link defined the capital budgeting consists in planning, development of available capital for the purpose of maximizing the long term profitability. Of the concern. See, my dear students, It is what consisting the planning. Let us explain the link define, that is what happened capital budgeting as a what happened blood planning development of available capital. प्लानिंग करना चाहिए, ब्लूप्रिंट करना चाहिए, कितना कैपिटल हमें चाहिए, जो कि हमें ऑलरेडी मैं बोल चुका हूं, दैट इज उसे अवेलेबिलिटी कितना कैपिटल है, ताकि हमें जो कि मैक्सिमाइज करना है हमारा लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिट। मैंने पहले बोल चुका हूं, दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड, दैट इज हमें जो भी कैपिटल बजट करना है, जो भी यूज करना है, जो भी कुछ करना है, हमें फोकस करना है, दैट इज हाउ, दैट इज इट शुड बी अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिटेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इट इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिट, नॉट द short term, because the aim of the business finance, or that is the what objective of the business finance is what profit maximization and the wealth maximization, that only we can get it, that is from the capital budgeting. And the capital budgeting highlights in the what, that planning the development of the what available finance, okay, and that is our available capital, that is the what the link said, okay. And it is what happened, another we can say, that is the what, that from these chief features we can say, that is the what happened, the capital budgeting decisions must be, that is exchange of the what, the current funds for the benefit of the use in the future. From the definition what we get the features, and another the future, that is benefit must be expected from the series of years, continuous of years for longer period. And another, the funds which are invested, it should be a non-flexible and the long-term activities must be there, okay. From the definition also we can say, that is what happened, it should be a long-term and significant, effective and profitable manner. It should be the profitable to the concern. So, and also they require the large fund, and also there is a some irreversible decisions to be taken while that is talking about the what happened capital budgeting, okay, my dear students. So this is about the meaning, the concept, and that is the definition of the capital budgeting, okay. And for the next classes we'll go for we'll talk about, that is the mostly some importance and the need of the capital budgeting, and the some of the what, the process of the capital budgeting, okay. Thank you, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe, thank you.